What if I told you that, in the next 10 minutes, you'll learn how to build a professional QR code generator that can convert any text into a scannable QR code, complete with download functionality, all using AI assistance? Stay tuned, because today we're diving deep into web development with Claude AI. Welcome back to AI Code Cascade. I'm Dilawar Khan, and if you're new here, this channel is all about leveraging AI to build amazing web applications. In our previous video, we created a modern design calculator, and today we're taking it up a notch with a fully functional QR code generator. Before we start coding, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we're building today. Step 1. Project Overview. Let's start with Step 1, Project Overview and Prompt Setup. The secret to getting amazing results from AI is crafting the perfect prompt. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to structure a comprehensive prompt that will generate professional-grade code. Our QR code generator will include modern cart-based design with gradient backgrounds, real-time QR code generation, multiple size options, small, medium, and large, PNG download functionality, complete responsive design, professional error handling. The key here is being specific about every detail. Notice how our prompt includes exact file structure, color schemes, responsive breakpoints, and even accessibility features. This level of detail is what separates amateur prompts from professional ones. We're using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the QR.js library, and everything will be organized in 3 separate files for clean, maintainable code. Step 2. Claude AI Access. Step 2. Accessing Claude AI. Head over to link to Claude AI. This is Anthropic's powerful AI assistant that excels at code generation. If you don't have an account, simply sign up with your Gmail. It's completely free to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see this clean interface. Claude AI is particularly good at understanding complex project requirements and generating structured code, which is exactly what we need for our QR code generator. Step 3. Prompt Submission. Step 3. Submitting our comprehensive prompt. Now, I'm going to paste our carefully crafted prompt into Claude's chat interface. Notice the structure. We have clear sections, detailed requirements, and specific technical specifications. This isn't just a simple, "make me a QR code generator" request. We're providing exact file structure, design specifications with color codes, feature requirements, responsive design breakpoints, error handling requirements. The beauty of a well-structured prompt is that it eliminates back and forth questions and gives you exactly what you need in one shot. Step 4. AI Code Generation. Step 4. Watching AI magic happen. And here's where the magic happens. Claude is analyzing our requirements and generating 3 complete files with professional-grade code. Look at this. It's not just generating random code. It's following our exact specifications. Proper file organization. Modern CSS with custom properties. Clean JavaScript with error handling. Responsive design implementation. This is why prompt engineering is so crucial. The quality of your output directly correlates with the quality of your input. A detailed prompt gives you detailed, production-ready code. As you can see, Claude has generated our complete project structure, index, HTML for structure, style link to .css for styling, and script, JS for functionality. Each file is properly commented and follows best practices. Step 5, code extraction. Step 5, copying our generated code. Now we need to extract our code. I'm going to copy each file separately, first the HTML, then the CSS, and finally the JavaScript. Pro tip: always copy code file by file to maintain proper organization. This prevents mixing up different file contents and ensures clean project structure. Step 6, versus code setup. Step 6, setting up our development environment. Let's open VS Code and create our project structure. I'm creating a new folder called QR Code Generator. Keeping our project organized is essential for any web development project. Show folder creation. Now I'm creating our 3 files. First, index, HTML. This is our main structure file. Paste HTML code. Next, style link to .css. This contains all our styling and animations. Paste CSS code. Finally, script, JS. This handles all our QR code generation logic. Paste JavaScript code. Notice how each file has a specific purpose. This separation of concerns makes our code maintainable and easy to debug. Now, let's fire up our live server. If you don't have the live server extension, make sure to install it. It's essential for web development. Click Go Live. Step 7, testing the application. Step 7, seeing our creation come to life. And here it is. Our QR code generator is running live. Look at this beautiful, modern interface, exactly what we specified in our prompt. The design is clean, professional, and completely responsive. You can see the gradient background, the card-based layout, and all the interactive elements we requested. This is the power of detailed prompting. We got exactly what we asked for, down to the color scheme and layout specifications. Step 8. Comprehensive functionality test. Step 8. Testing every feature. Detailed testing of all features. Now let's test every single feature to make sure our AI-generated code works perfectly. First, let's test text input. Type some text and generate QR code. Perfect! The QR code generates instantly with clean, crisp quality. Now let's test different sizes. Test small, medium, large sizes. Excellent. All three size options work perfectly, giving users flexibility based on their needs. Let's test the download functionality. Download a QR code. Outstanding! The download works flawlessly, saving as a high-quality PNG file with proper naming. Now for the real test. Let's scan this QR code with Google Lens. Use phone to scan the QR code. And it works perfectly. Google Lens reads our generated QR code without any issues. Conclusion and value proposition. What we've accomplished today. In just under 10 minutes, we've built a professional-grade QR code generator that includes modern, responsive design, multiple QR code sizes, download functionality, perfect scanning compatibility, professional error handling, clean, maintainable code. But here's the real lesson. This isn't just about building a QR code generator. This is about understanding how to leverage AI effectively for web development. The key takeaways are: detailed prompts produce detailed results. Proper project structure matters. AI can generate production-ready code when guided correctly. Testing is crucial for validating functionality. Call to action. Your next steps. If this video helped you understand how to build professional web applications with AI assistance, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more developers like you. Subscribe to AI Code Cascade for more AI-powered development tutorials. We're building amazing projects every week, and you don't want to miss out. In the comments below, let me know. What web application should we build next? Did you successfully create your own QR code generator? What challenges did you face? Also, if you want to see the complete code for this project, I'll put the GitHub link in the description below. Before you go, check out our previous video where we built a modern calculator with AI. It's the perfect companion to this tutorial and shows different AI prompting techniques. Thanks for watching AI Code Cascade. I'm Dilawar Khan, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be building something even more exciting. Until then, keep coding with AI.